Hi, I'm Martino Quinto from section G1C-1. And in this short reflection, I'll be taking about clothes as part of my material self. For me, clothes are more than just pieces of fabric I wear every day. They reflect my personality, my mood, and even my confidence. What what I wear can show how I feel. For example, when I dress neatly, I feel more motivated and ready to face the world. Clothes are also connect to my identity and culture. Some of my favorite outfits remind me of special occasion or people care about. They hold memories and emotions that shape who I am. Through this, I realize that my material profession, like my clothes, are part of how I express myself. They may not define who I truly and am inside, but they help me communicate my individuality to others. Thank you. That's all.